UAE has introduced an amazing initiative called Bread for All. This initiative is by the ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, with the motive that in UAE no one sleeps hungry or in need. This is refilled twice a day to ensure constant supplies and gives the people the options choose between Arabic bread and finger rolls. Individuals can choose the bread that they want, and in just few seconds you can get free freshly baked breads. This is a modern and sustainable model of charity work. Members of public can also donate to this initiative using your debit or credit card.